guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this beautiful glamorous entry table, which I made using an old table I had lying around my house. My name is Janelle and I make videos on natural hair, lifestyle and fashion DIYs. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. So I'm gonna be starting off with an old dressing table I had lying around. I'm just gonna make use of the silver metallic spray paint and spray the top part of it and the insides of it. I'm going to be using a glitter foam sheet to cover the side, so I don't need to just spray that. So I'm just gonna spray the side that I'm not gonna cover using this metallic silver spray paint. If you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Janelle. Please kindly click on that big red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Share it with your family and friends, guys. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you to my old subscribers. You guys know you guys are the real MVPs. So I saw these PVC pipes that I saw laying around my house, so I grabbed them and washed them thoroughly and used this saw to cut them into different sizes, like different lengths, so I could get the perfect design I wanted for my table. This PVC is being sold for 250 naira for the small ones and 500 naira for the big ones if you want to buy it. So it's very affordable. Anybody can buy it, you know. So I decided to cut mine into 4 sizes. I'll be leaving the sizes in the description box below. You can cut yours in any sizes or length you want. This is the glitter foam sheet I'll be using to wrap up each of these PVC pipes. All I'm gonna do is cut it up and use my candle gum and hot gun to attach the glitter foam sheet all around the PVC pipe. I'm not going to be covering the whole PVC pipes as you're going to see me do. That's because the open area is going to be attached to the table, so it won't be obvious anyway. So instead of wasting my glitter foam sheet to wrap it all around, which will end up giving me a bulky PVC pipe, I better just, you know, wrap the side that's going to show and leave the side I'm going to use to attach a hair to the table open so it can lap very well. So I'm going to go ahead and, you know, cover the whole PVC pipes I cut out with this glitter foam sheet. And after that, I'm going to be cutting out a circle from the glitter foam sheet to cover one side of the PVC pipes. I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. After I was done wrapping all the PVC pipes, I'll then take the silver foam sheet, glitter foam sheet, and attach it neatly to the sides of my table using my hot gun. I'm going to be setting my hot gun power to the highest level, so I know that this is not going to peel off later. So after, I'm just going to wrap it all around the sides of this table. When I'm done with this side, I'll do the same thing to the other side of the table, and then I'll show you the next step. So after I was done with the sides, it's now time to arrange the PVC pipes on my table the way I want it. This is not like it's not like there's no specific way to arrange it. I was just, you know, arranging it from the longest one, shortest one, longest one, just like roughly. It was not a uniform placement. So if you want yours to start from the longest to the shortest, or from the shortest to the longest, just do you. But I loved the inconsistent way this looked. That's what I wanted it to be. So I was just measuring the lengths I wanted and how I was going to place it, just like you see me do. So just do you, whichever way works for you. If you want everything to be uniform, the same level, good. And if not, you know, just do you. So I was okay with this, and after that I just had to use my hot gun to attach it to the table, and remember to set it to the highest power level so you know that it's not going to pull off. You guys know I have a baby right now, and she likes touching things. So if this thing is not really strong, it's gonna pull off. So I'm just attaching this to my table the way I arranged it, the way I liked it. So just do you. If you don't like this design, you can change the design. If you don't even like using a silver glitter foam sheet, you could always use gold. Initially I wanted using gold, but since I wanted something that's going to match with my silver mirror, I had to go with silver. And if you've not seen the video on how I did this big glamorous mirror, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. Do well to check it out because it's really amazing, guys. So after attaching this to the table, all I had to do was, you know, take these beautiful diamond shaped buttons and cover the top of the PVC pipes. I covered the down part of the PVC pipes with the same glitter foam sheet, while I'm using this diamond shaped button to cover the up part, just, you know, give us a beautiful design on top. And if you've watched up to this point and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you, kindly click on that big red subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. So for the top of the table, I'm going to be making use of this mirror, and I'm just going to be placing the mirror on top of the table. And by this time, well, after I just noticed that I still had like some spaces showing of the table since I didn't spray it. So I'm going to be using this silver what is it called, silver trimming to, you know, cover the sides a bit. And if I knew that the mirrors that I'm going to have spaces, I should have done this before applying the buttons. So I'm just going to cover the silver trimmings on the edges of this table before taking my UHU gum and my candle gum to attach the mirror. I'm using UHU gum plus candle gum so that it will have a very strong hold, you know, so the mirror is not going to come off. So with this, I know that it's having a double hold, and the mirror like is not going to come up at all. So you have to make sure that you place the mirror very well. I made a mistake when placing this mirror and I could not shift it because the hot gun really held it, and plus the UHU gun. So make sure you place it very well. But it is my house and it's not really so obvious, so I still had to manage it like that. And oh my god, my table turned out super duper beautiful. Oh my god, what do you guys think? This is just amazing. This is beautiful. Like, who knows, who could have thought that it was that old, you know, worn out dressing table that was just outside that turned into this glamorous entryway table. Oh my god. And it fits so well, it matched so well with my mirror. Everything turned out so beautifully. Yes, yeah. Oh my god, this is just amazing, guys. Tell me your feedback. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Would you love to see these types of videos more often on my channel? Just tell me. I want to hear your feedbacks, guys. Do you want me to keep showing you guys how to transform old and boring furnitures into new and glamorous and beautiful centerpieces or entryway devices or whatever it is, you know, guys? Give me your feedback and tell me, do you like it, or would you like it in gold? Would you like it in silver or any other color? Oh my god, this turned out so beautifully. Like, who could have imagined that I used PVC pipes, you know, to create this design? Oh my god, and glitter foam sheets. Oh, this is just amazing. So the mirror is a mirror I had at home which broke. I just took it to where the cut mirrors, and they cut it to the size of this table. Oh my god, this is just too beautiful. It's just breathtaking. Oh guys, what do you think? Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not. And yes, I'm gonna see you all in my next video. Bye bye.